Okay, good afternoon, panelists, especially to our instructor, Mrs. Naomi Dagilotas. So today we're going to present our dissertation titled Dance Motivation Inventory among Bachelor's of Physical Education students in relation to their academic performances. So first of all, my name is John Del Juanes.
And I'm Elaine Times Sormian.
So let's delve into the fact and the problem of our research study. Before that, let me present to you our introduction. So in recent years, there are been growing interest in understanding multifaceted impacts of physical activities on various aspects of individuals' life, including which there are academic performance. Dance as a form of physical activity has gained a prominence not only for its inherent aesthetic and recreational qualities, but also for its potential to enhance cognitive and emotional well-being. So this study aims to investigate the relationships between dance motivation and academic performances among Bachelor's of Physical Education students, or BPEd, shedding the light on unexplored intersections between physical activity and scholastic achievements. In conclusion, this research endeavors to bridge the gap between the realms of dance, motivation, and academic performance among the BPE students or Bachelor's of Physical Education students. By exploring these intricate relationships between these elements or aspects, the study aims to contribute valuable insights to educational theory and practices. So advocating for a more comprehensive and integrated approach to student development. So next would be the objectives.
So we have here our objectives. This study aims to determine the dance motives among human kinetics students in relation to their academic performance at the Sir Rizal Memorial State University main campus during the academic years 2021 to 2022 and 2022 to 2023. The study will be specifically answer the following research questions. First, we have here what is the demographic profile of the students in terms of name, age, year level, and gender. Next is what is the level of agreement of the dance students. We have here advanced, mastery, self-confidence, and acceptance. And third is there a significant difference in the dance movies and how they correlate with the students' performance? Next, is there a significant difference in the academic performance when analyzed according to the students' performance? What is the significant relationship between dance motives and academic performance? And last is what output can be generated based on the results of the study? Theoretical framework. The study is anchored on the theory of motivation proposed by Maras et al. 2015, which states that the more motivated individuals are in doing something, the more successful they become. This means that dancing can decrease anxiety, increase self-esteem, and improve psychological well-being. Furthermore, Maras et al. 2015 socializing trends 2015 identified 8 motivational factors, namely fitness, mood enhancement, privacy, socializing, trends, mastery, self-confidence, and escapism. Mood enhancement was found to be the strongest motivational factor for both males and females, although the motives differed according to gender.
So this is the conceptual framework of our it would be interconnected to or in relation to the academic performance. Under the profile of the students, which are age, year level, and gender. So the methodology of our study uses the focus group quantitative research. So for the study, the researchers, us, will be using sets of survey method with standardized survey questionnaire. So it will be to discover the dance motivational inventory among Bachelor of Physical Education students in Jose Rizal Memorial State University main campus, the Philippines City. So this study will be conducted at Jose Rizal Memorial State University, the Philippines City main campus, that offers program that caters the physical activities and dance-related courses through dance motivation. So the findings of our study is number one, trans-motive respondents show high agreement across trans-related dance motives, indicating that dance as a means of personal expression, connection, and comfort. So next is mastery motives. So high agreement was observed, reflecting that dance as a source of achievement, personal growth, and social connection. Self-confident motives, or part of the motives, is strong agreement suggests that dance as a source of exercise, emotional experience, and personal enjoyment, contributing to self-confidence. So escapism, respondents agreed on using dance for emotional release, physical vitality, and non-verbal communication, reflecting escapism or self-expression. So in relation to academic performance, the Bachelor of Physical Education CPA students demonstrate good performance across various academic aspects, showing readiness, active participation, and desire for good grades, timely completion of assignments, and a strong work ethic. So the relationship between dance and academic performance is that dance mastery, self-confidence, and escapism motives do not show the significant correlations with the academic performance. So gender, age, year level do not significantly influence the level of agreement on dance motives of academic performance among the respondents. So based on those findings, we come up with the conclusion that the findings of the study provided the element related to dance motivation and academic performance among bachelors of physical education or PhD students. The demographic profile analysis revealed a fairly balanced distribution across age groups, academic years, and gender, indicating a diverse, representative sample for the study. The level of agreement on dance motive categorized into trance, mastery, self-confidence, and escapism demonstrated high agreement among respondents, reflecting strong motivation and positive attitudes towards dance participation. In terms of academic performance, the analysis indicated a positive trend towards good performance among PPA students. So as evidenced by their readiness in schools or in subjects, active participation, desire for good grades, and proactive approach for assignments, projects. So however, the correlation analysis revealed no significant relationship between respondents' level of agreement on dance and their academic performance. This suggests that while students may have strong motivation and positive attitude towards dance, these factors do not directly correlate with the academic achievements, therefore rejecting the current hypothesis. So furthermore, the examination of difference in dance motive and academic performance based on demographic profiles, namely age, year level, and gender, show non-significant result. So age, year level, and gender did not significantly influence respondents' level of agreement on the dance motive and their academic performances, highlighting the complexity of the factors that contributes to dance motivation and academic outcomes among PPA students. So recommendations. Number one, encouraging students to think about why they dance. So how it helps them to better the school, to better in school, that it is important. So workshop classes can show them how dancing can improve their grades and make learning more fun. So adding dance activities to their classes can keep them more interested and motivated. So teachers can talk with students about why they like dance and how it can help them do well in their studies. Learning about dance motives can make teaching more effective and engaging. Working with dance experts can also make lessons more interesting and enjoyable. So school leaders can support programs that use dance to improve students' learning. You can also help create a school culture that values different talents and encourage students to do their best. For future researchers, this study help them study how dance affects students' academic performance over time and in different situations. Can provide valuable insights into how to help students succeed. Comparing different groups of students can also give us a better understanding on how dance can help students do well in school. That will be all. Thank you and